I'm here at the Cal Tire in Deer Run. I don't live in Deer Run, but the appointment for me to go to the Cal Tire near my home was about 3 weeks. Even though it's sunny, it's nice out. Here in Calgary, it can snow anytime. I also asked if Cal Tire could do an oil change for me, and they said that they're so busy that they can't even do an oil change. So I thought that while I wait, I'll just take you on a tour around Deer Run. This is like the Deer Ridge kind of shopping area. They got a No Frills here. No Frills is owned by Superstore. I haven't been over to this location for a really long time. Anytime Fitness, that used to be a video store a long time ago. A long time ago, like in the late 90s, early 2000s. My parents would take my brother and I here, and we'd be able to rent videos and video games. It's October 17th and it's plus about 16 out in Calgary, so it's hard to think about even needing winter tires. But yeah, like I said, snow can happen anytime, so it's best to be prepared. This is the Pizza Hut. So this is like a Pizza Hut, just little takeout place. Before, the Pizza Hut was over there. You can see in the distance with the tin roof, and there was a dining area, and it was way bigger of a pizza place. But yeah, right there. But no more. Most of the Pizza Huts just turned into small pickup locations like that, and there's no dine-in experience anymore. And over this way used to be like a little kind of indoor mall, but now all of the stores are just located with front entrances. There's no really walk-through area that goes there. And there was a Walmart here. I see the exterior looks all torn down here now, but there used to be a Walmart here. I think before Walmart it was Zellers, and now you can see the outside of the Walmart signage is all turned down. We'll get closer to it. Oh yeah, the windows are all boarded up too. Oh, here's a florist company. Maybe we'll walk, do a little tour, walk around this way. If you saw the camera splice there, I just went into Deer Valley Florist to see if they wanted a video done. I had looked at their reviews and they had quite a number of Google reviews with a very high rating. So I'll see if they want me to maybe do a tour video with their company in the future. And then this goes down to Starbucks and Calgary Co-op. We can see if we can get a better view of this Walmart over here. Yeah, it's such a huge section of this joined building that's now empty. So I wonder what it's gonna be. I don't know. I did a Fish Creek tour video at Fish Creek Provincial Park, and that location is pretty close to where we are right now. It's only about I'd say about a 3-minute drive from here. I just posted that video a couple of weeks ago and it turned out really well. It was a beautiful fall day with all of the leaves changing color, and many of the leaves were falling down while I was filming. So yeah, I really enjoyed making that video. Shoppers Drug Mart. I actually preferred when this place was a mall and you could walk through it and see the different stores rather than just how it is now, where you can just enter through the front entrance. There's a medical clinic here. Fortunately, in Canada, we have free medical care, and it's such a huge relief to know that you can access healthcare and not have to worry about paying for it. I know that that's a huge cause for bankruptcy in many countries. So it's definitely one of the reasons why I feel very blessed and fortunate to live in Canada. I also made a colonoscopy video. I've had 2 colonoscopies, and I've made the video called The Importance of Getting a Colonoscopy, and that's located on my channel as well. I have over 250 videos on my channel, and I've spent over 1,500 hours making those videos, and I haven't yet made $1. I have 540 subscribers, but YouTube says that I need 1,000 subscribers to be part of the YouTube partnership program. So if you could please subscribe to my channel, I would truly, sincerely appreciate it. Every subscriber counts. And yeah, when I get a new subscriber, it'll notify me, and it's like winning the lotto. It's pretty cool. It's definitely a cool feeling. And I truly appreciate everyone's support. Kind of walk around the neighborhood area over here too. I'm not quite sure how long it'll take to get my tires changed, but hopefully not too long. They were checking in my car right away, so that was a good sign. Whoa, check out the sidewalk. Holy, that's a huge slope. So yeah, you can see some of the houses here in Deer Run. I do follow the real estate market closely. My family's always been involved and interested in real estate. I learned everything from my dad, and I'm quite interested in it as well. I don't specifically follow the Deer Market location that well, but I would guess that the homes in here would probably be in about $450,000 range. Up close and personal with the squirrels and the pigeon. This is a pretty busy street here. It's gonna walk across, but It's pretty darn busy. Maybe I'll just keep going down to the next crosswalk here. Oh, there's some Halloween decorations. Looks like those might glow in the dark. You can see some of the paint on the homes definitely needs to be painted. If you have wood trim and that wood trim is exposed, if the paint's chipped off, then that wood can rot, and it's way more expensive to replace that rotting wood than it is to be proactive and to keep up with the painting. And temperature wise makes a difference too, so kind of learned that the hard way. It's not a good idea to paint when it's, I would say, above 25 Celsius, and it's not really a good idea to paint if it's below 15 Celsius, in my opinion. I think the best time is kind of between 15 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius, because then the paint is more likely to stick and it'll be less likely to have cracks and problems down the road. But definitely no judgment. I mean, there's many reasons why some people aren't able to keep up with their painting, and that could be because they have health problems or they're struggling financially. So for sure, no judgment. If you can't get it painted, you can't get it painted. But if you are in a financial position to do so, then it's a good idea to be able to do that. So like I said, down the road it'll help to be less of an expense in the future. Got some flags here. So ATCO will always come out and flag the areas where there's electrical and areas in which you should not dig. So whenever you want to dig on your property for whatever reason, whether it's a fence or whatever reason, whenever you dig, you just call them and they do it for free. I think it's, you just type in "call before you dig" and on Google, and it'll give you the website and the number. And I've done it before. I've filed a form in which I requested, and I think it was within a couple of days they were able to come out and set up all the flags. And yeah, it's way better to be safe than sorry to know where everything is. It's really important to call before you dig. And I'm sure many communities and cities around the world hopefully have a similar company or organization that's able to do that. It's always a good idea to find out where it's safe before you do any digging project on your property. Regardless of where you live, wherever you live, it's always a good idea to do that. There's a pumpkin. Oh, that one's neat. It's got kind of like a witch carving on it. It's neat that all the houses don't look the same. They're all really personalized. Some bigger homes, it looks like, in that cul-de-sac area. Most of the videos on my channel are about money related topics, but I also have many tour videos such as this. Lots of mall tour videos I've done lately, as well as the Drumheller Dinosaur Museum and the Calgary Zoo. The Calgary Stampede was a lot of fun to do a live stream as well as different videos there. And this is a beautiful tree. Whoa, and this person's got 1, 2, 3, 4 pumpkins. 4 pumpkins and a bunch of different decorations that are, looks like if you flick on the electricity, a fan will blow and inflate them. Just like these ones. Looks like somebody just got their concrete done. Concrete's definitely weather sensitive, so it's always good to have concrete done by the right company at the right time. Because you definitely don't want it to crack and become brittle after it's poured. Sorry. So that was kind of a full loop. We'll see if we can go back down that other street over here. That's really neat. That person's got lots of cool lights in the back. And an older car. I'm not sure what that is. Fiero, I think it says on the back. Or Fiero? Duct furnace cleaning. Definitely be careful who you get your ducts and furnace cleaned from. That for sure needs to be a reputable company, and I would never recommend to answer the phone and book someone that's just calling. It's always good to call the company directly so that you know it's legitimately that company. There's been so many scams in the news about duct and furnace cleaning, so whoever is thinking about doing that, it's good to research and get the best company and not just go by price for that one, because you for sure don't want to get scammed. And you also want to be extremely careful about who you let in your house. Yay, my car is all done. The winter tires are on. You can see the tread still looks great. I have about 55,000 kilometers on the car, and I purchased winter tires as soon as I bought it, so when it was brand new. And that way the tires will last me all through the winter, and the summers will last me through the summer up till my car is easily at 100,000 kilometers. Whenever you pick up your car, you always want to do a walk around and make sure that there's no damage, especially on the rims. You want to make sure that there's no scrape or any scratch on your rims.